how much work does Shirley actually need. After looking into it a little bit, it's actually not that bad, but let's go over the goods, because we're staying positive right now. The good thing is that this thing runs perfect. I mean, no knock, no tick, no stutter, no flutter, no nutter butter, none of that stuff. It runs perfectly smooth. And he's licking soap. He's licking soap, dude. Number two, if you haven't seen it before, it is quite an amazing shape. As far as cosmetically, and as far as like the glass and the windows and all that kind of good stuff. So another good thing. Another good thing to notice or to note is that all four of these tires are DOT 2019. So they're all pretty much brand new. What's up, buddy? The guy even told me that he replaced them before I got them. Well, what do you want? New his name is Chato. You can call him horchata if you want, like the Mexican drink. So, the brakes and the tires are all new. What does it need? Well, we're starting off with the trans. It needs a transmission. Put it in drive. It goes, but I got no reverse. You're looking at about maybe $1,500 or so for the rebuild on it. Or you can buy one from Amazon for like $800 or $900. But for me personally, since I'm going to keep it, and this is going to be a keeper, I'd rather upgrade it and put a built one in there, so that way it lasts. Number two is that this thing is going to need front seat covers, which are $128 for I believe both the fronts. They're not bad. I could rock it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna be bougie and be like, nah, man, I need all my shit looking right. You know what I'm saying? I need all things suede. I need my name engraved in that moth. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm not doing any of that. I'm not bougie like that whatsoever. Front seat covers, it does need. It's either gonna be a left front regulator or the switch. But me personally, this being a 96, hasn't been registered since 2015. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and put both window regulators in it, just so I don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. Also is this guy. Yeah, that, and then this, either the bushings or the part of the hinge I'm gonna need to replace, because this door does sag. It needs a trans linkage, so when we actually put it in drive, the linkage just pops out. Hey, get out of my soap! Don't make me get the leaf blower. You need something to play with or something? Jesus Christ, look, he likes bottles. Here, you want a bottle? Go get the bottle. Yeah, you already know. Come on. You wanna play? Let's play, motherfucker. Come on. Where'd you go? Biggest overall cost on this car, or on this vehicle, or on this truck, whatever you want to call it, is going to be the trans. Once I put a trans in it, it is up and driving and I can use it. Other little miscellaneous stuff here and there. So really, to get this thing on the road and running is about $1,900. And to get this thing, little cosmetic stuff here and there, like I said, like the window regulators and the linkage, I gotta do a light check. I don't even know if the brake lights are working, whatever. So it probably maybe looking at maybe $2,500 to go ahead and fix all the stuff to whatever, to my liking. Now, what do I want to do to it is a whole different story. That's just get it up and running and essentially pass Texas inspection, which is you don't really need anything much to pass Texas inspection. Get out! Now another thing I need to go ahead and get done, get looked at, I got a quote from one place already, is the paint. It looks decent right here, but I would like to do it again. You're looking $3 grand. $3 grand, $3,500 to get a really, really good paint job. And another thing I will note, something that sucks, something that if the body is straight on the two-door Tahoe and you want to get it, I suggest get one that has fender flares on it that are not beat up, like these. I was like, okay, you know, fender flares, cool, you know, not too bad. Couple little screws, couple little bolts, put them back on. Nope. I have not attempted the rear, but as far as the front goes, in order to change this fender flare, you gotta take the fender off, because the inner liner in here doesn't give you enough room to go ahead and get the bolts that are back here. Sucks. So you're looking at about $450 for a whole set of. So there'll be more to come. This is just kind of a small maintenance list of what I needs to get done, little stuff here and there. So like I said, we're probably at 2,500 with a really good trans, and that's not including paint, and that's not including the fender flares. And I'm up and running. Use it as a daily, use it to get groceries, use it to get Chick-fil-A, do whatever. He chewed the wiring harness. I fixed it. Well, we gotta start right here. When you have dogs, not that one, he's a nice one. Where's the demon at? There he is. Where's he at? He's over there somewhere. There he is. Shh. If we don't make any noise, he's not gonna see us. Anyways, when you got dogs like that, they do stuff like this. So, yep, I gotta do the O2 sensor harness. Not bad. Get out of my way. So, looks bad, but it's not really that bad. But overall, from underneath, it's actually pretty clean. No major signs of rust. No, you know, that's a little bit of surface rust there. Whatever, not too big of a problem. But it's dry, which is good. I mean, you can look at it. Frame. Shut up. Over here, a little bit of oil leak, but not bad. Not too terrible. Overall, very, very good shape. Get out of my way. So not much. I mean, there may be a few ball joints or two. I may go through suspension. I think the upper control arms are yeah. Upper control arms are a little worn in the bushings. The Mustang, because you can see it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. I got my header fixed. If anyone wants to know about that, the header is fixed, it's installed, so I should have no more issues from now on. But it's time to wash it. I'm still rocking the Georgia license plate because I don't care. And now I'll see you guys on the next one. I may do a video of how to wash my car or how I wash my car, but whatever cases. But man, just look at this. That towing this. That towing this. I think it'll look pretty good. Or that towing a Fox body. That's enough. I'll see you guys later.